Hi, I am Premdas Ramteke. Quality Improvement in Math Education Project QIME video based PPT presentation. Topic of presentation circle. Name of Master Trainer Premdas Lakshman Ramteke. Registration number B055. School name ZPX Government Jubilee High School Chandrapur District Chandrapur. Step 1. Observe and explore video show. The aim of showing this video is to generate interest of the students in the topic we want to teach. Watch the video.
चित्र नाही दिसलं तुमचं तरी चालते.
Circle in the air. Draw a small circle in the air. Draw a small circle in the air. Draw a small circle in the air. Draw a big 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 circle in the air. A circle is a shape, it goes around and around. A circle is a shape, it goes around and around. It's like a pizza and a cookie, a ring and a coin. A circle is a shape, it goes around and around. Walk in the shape of a circle. 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 A circle is a shape, it goes around and around. A circle is a shape, it goes around and around. It's like a pizza and a cookie, a ring and a coin. A circle is a shape, it goes around and around.
Define and prove. The set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane is said to be a circle. Center of circle. Here point O is a fixed point in the plane of circle is said to be a center of circle. Radius of circle. Length of line segment joining center of circle and point on the circle is said to be radius of circle. Chord of circle. Line segment joining any two points on circle is said to be a chord of circle. In figure, the different chords are shown. Says FG, says BC and says DE are the chord. Diameter. A chord passing through center of circle is said to be diameter of circle. Note, diameter is the largest chord of a circle. Diameter, it is equal to twice of radius of circle. A line passing through 2 points on circle is said to be secant of circle. In figure, line L is shown, which is the secant of circle. A line in the plane of circle passing through a point on a circle. In figure, tangent is shown. Some of the theorems or properties. Number 1, tangent drawn on circle is perpendicular to radius of circle at point of contact. Next theorem, the line perpendicular to radius of circle at its outer end is tangent to circle. Third one, tangents drawn to circle from an external point are congruent. In figure, the congruent tangents are shown. Step 3. Apply and evaluate. Example 1. Points P, Q, R, S are on a circle with center O. Write the name of any three radii. Second, that is, write any three chords of circle. Second example, the radius of a circle is 6.5 centimeter. Then find the length of the largest chord of that circle. Next example, the radius of circle is 13 centimeter and the length of the chord is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from center of the circle. Some more examples. Then, what is wrong in the information provided in the adjacent figure? Here, AP equal to 4, PC equal to 4 and BC equal to 5. The solution for this example, that is, if we join the centers A and B, let us see, in right angle triangle ACB, here AC equal to AP plus PC. Some more example, that is, the radius of circle is 13 centimeter and the length of the chord is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from center of the circle. Some more examples.